What's up, guys? It's your boy G, and one of the hardest things about being in the photography business is, you guessed it, finding potential clients. So today we're going to take the difficulty out of that, and I'm going to give you a couple of ways and a couple things you can do in order to book those potential clients. Let's go. All right, guys, so the first thing I would tell you to do is start with your friends and family. Whoever you're cool with, whoever you have a bond with, whoever you live with, take that camera out and take their photos. Take their photos, and look, if you even want to get paid for it, offer them a discount. You know what I'm saying? If you normally charge $100, maybe do it for maybe like 50 or 60, who knows? What you need right now is the content, and the content will bring you more potential clients. The next thing you need to focus on is building a social media presence, because again, it goes back to, you have to have the content. People need to see what you can do so that they can book with you. So with that being said, you can get with friends or family, you could take some dope photos, and at that point create an Instagram page, make a TikTok, you know what I'm saying, even a YouTube, whatever you choose to do. But have a platform to where you can showcase your work and they can see it and say, you know what, I want that person to capture my images. The next thing I would suggest is to offer a mini session. Mini sessions are great ways for you to get in front of potential clients and show them what you can do. You don't have to have a long and drawn out session. You can make it limited in terms of time frame as well as what they actually get in return. But again, if you knock that thing out the park, you can convert them over and create an existing and returning client. The next thing I would suggest to you in order to get clients in your photography business is to network with local businesses, because one thing about businesses, they will always need content and advertising for their marketing purposes. And one thing about it, photographers are just the people that they need in order to bring their vision to life. Now, sometimes you may have to do pro bono work in exchange for referrals or whatever it is, but it's up to you to make that agreement with the business owner, and watch how this can change the game for you as well. The next thing I would suggest for you to do to find photography clients is to join a Facebook or online group. The reason why I say this is because these groups can put you in front of people that you otherwise wouldn't come in contact with, which goes back to another reason as to why you need to have an online presence, so people can go back and have a reference to see your work, and at that point they can go and book you so that you can do some work for them. Now, a lot of times this next tip is overlooked, but it's very, very vital to the life and vitality of your business. And guess what it is? Create a great customer experience when you do get that booking. Make sure that your client feels like more than a client. Make them feel like family, and I mean the good part of your family. You understand what I'm saying? But make them feel like they have to come back to you. Make them feel like there is no other photographer. Make them feel like if they go somewhere else, they're going to get cheated. Even if somebody has a cheaper price, make the experience so great that they come back to you, because the value that you provide them is greater than whatever price they paid. So with that being said, I hope I helped you guys out. I know I did, because guess what? I had to learn these things and I had to implement them. And if they work for me, they'll work for you. So with that being said, drop a comment below, like, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching it, and holla at your boy. Peace.